I've never seen anything like this. It's absolutely ridiculous. This used to be a washing machine, it looks like. This was a church, apparently. There's the church van. It's absolutely ridiculous. Like I was saying, this is much worse than any of us ever thought. No shit. Shotgun broken in half and a handgun. I got my gun on me. This is nuts. That huge tree is just gone. Part of the church is missing. Used to be a roof right there on that church. All of the debris came up against the fence. It's a high wind. Stained glass windows are gone. Parts of the playground are gone. Oh my god. This used to be an elementary school. I rode my bike on the way to Kelsey's place. A tree and a house. House with no roof. Was an old lady's house right there.
Lord, 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 Lord.
Oh, do you live around here?
Well,
I've literally moved 5 feet from my last spot.
possible, but I've never seen anything like it. I saw the one in 2000, and I believe this one's got it beat by a long shot.
So you saw one in 2000 and this one's got it beat by a long shot. Yeah, there used to be a nice house right there. Private drive. Used to be a fence right here, or kind of still is, but not really. All these trees are gone. Like, you couldn't even see 30 feet that way, there's so many trees. So I rode my bike down here every day.
Up the window at the top.
entire skyline right here. I don't even think that house used to be there. Yeah, it came off foundations. The car in the basement of that house. Looks like the bathroom's one of the only things standing in that house. It's just nuts. You see where the debris hit the house. Still smells like leaking gas over here. This is one of the main streets in town, 15th Street. This is where it really hit. This is where Hokkaido used to be. I was gonna live right down there. The lady renting the house out turns down. This is right in front of Nick's house. You used to be able to see that house. This is leaving Nick's house.
Bonita!